Hi everyone. Today we'll be looking at the audit trail.
The audit trail allows administrators to track in detail changes made to the records inside all modules, including admin, PIM, expense, leave, maintenance, performance, recruitment, succession and development, time module, and etc.
So let's jump right into the audit trail, which is located under the admin audit trail. As I mentioned, this is only available for admins, admin users. There's a filter button on the top right here. So if I want to view any changes made to the PIM module, I can. It's a default view. So PIM is a default view. When you open up the audit trail, that's the first screen. That's the initial default module that's selected, and you can see here all the changes made to the PIM with the date and time of the action, the owner, the person who made the change, the action itself, a description of it, the employee whose section was changed or whose details were changed, and also the section and a description of the section. All right, and the audit trail can be, I mean, this screen can be also be filtered down a bit. You can filter by employees. You can also filter by the owner, action owner. These are the names of the employees that made the changes. So you can see who in your company from a maybe supervisor standpoint, if supervisors have been updating their subordinates PIM info and so on, you can keep track of those changes using the audit trail. In terms of leave and recruitment, I think leave is also quite useful. You can keep track of all changes to these are the sections available. So leave entitlements, any adds, any entitlements that were added or deleted or even edited, can those changes will be displayed. Changes to leave requests. So basically any sort of request that comes in from the point of application to either approval or cancellation or rejection, those will be tracked in the audit trail. And also even leave types. So if you want to keep track of the leave types and the rules, any changes to the rules can also be tracked using the audit trail. So this is actually quite helpful for an admin. And also the audit trail can be exported. So if I click on export, I can download a CSV of that view. So you can save these changes to your local machine, email them, print them, whatever you want to do with them. But yes, that view can be exported.
Thank you for watching today's training video. If you want to know more, contact us at info@orangeatrim.com or visit our website for more information.